we are making another healthy oats recipe, vegetable oats pongal or oats khichdi. Using this quick cooking steel cut oats. To make this khichdi, wash half cup of split green gram or moong dal. Wash it thoroughly and then pressure cook this dal with 1.5 cups of water along with half teaspoon salt and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder on medium high heat. Turn off the heat after 1 whistle. If you are not using the pressure cooker, you can cook this on stove top with 2 cups of water. Coming to the other ingredients, 3/4 cup of steel cut oats, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any cooking oil, or you can use ghee, 2 to 4 green chillies, split or chopped. You can add more or less depending on your spice intake. 3/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon jeera cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, pinch of hing, few curry leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves, quarter cup to half cup of each vegetable finely chopped, green beans, onion, frozen or fresh peas, red or green capsicum or bell pepper, and 1 small carrot. Quarter cup of fresh or frozen coconut, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Around 3 to 3.5 cups of water. In this, 1.5 cup of water for cooking the dal and remaining water is for cooking the oats. Now coming to making the oats pongal. Heat a pan on medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add this oats and dry roast it for a minute on medium heat until the raw smell disappears and you'll get the nice aroma of this roasted oats. Transfer this roasted oat onto a plate. Now keep the pan back on stove and add oil. Now the oil is hot, add a pinch of hing and mustard seeds. After it sputters, add jeera, fry it for a few seconds and then add the green chillies. Chillies turned white. Keep stirring and add pepper powder, curry leaves and then chopped onion. After adding the onion, sprinkle some salt and keep stirring it for half a minute or fry it for half a minute and then add vegetables one by one. Mix it well and cover it and cook it for a minute. It's been a minute. Now we have to add dry roasted oats and mix it well. After mixing it, add 1.5 cups of water, remaining salt, mix it again and we have to cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes until the oats and the vegetables are cooked. Now this is after 5 minutes. We have the cooked oats and vegetables. Add the cooked dal, mix it well and add coconut as well. Mix it. Reduce the heat from medium to low. Cook it uncovered for another 1 to 2 minutes. Finally add this chopped coriander leaves and then turn off the heat. Now this healthy, vegan, gluten-free vegetable oats khichdi is ready. You can eat this as a breakfast, lunch or dinner. I hope you enjoy making this oats pongal. For more recipes, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.